Guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Now I am super excited because I did a few DIYs, easy, super cute, super cheap holiday gift ideas. Now all three of these gifts were less than $10 to make. I'm gonna show you guys how I made them, how I put my items together, and where I got them at. I have a coupon stockpile gift. I have two Dollar Tree gifts. Some of them had some coupon items or clearance finds in them. So that's my clearance find / Dollar Tree. And that is pretty much my Dollar Tree. Some of the items you could switch out. I did get some items at the 99-cent only store, but you can definitely switch it out for Dollar Tree items. So we're going to go over all three gifts. I'm going to show you guys how I made them and how much it cost me to make. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Coupons for Charity. The link to follow me on Instagram will be in the description box. I'm also giving away a $20 Dollar Tree gift card with bonus prizes, and that is in my Dollar Tree haul. So if you have not checked out that video, I will link that at the end of this video so you guys can click on that and enter to win. So let's get ahead and get started with these DIYs. So I am working on a coworker gift. Now, this is actually for my work bestie. She loves to bake, and we don't really exchange presents. We just think about the kids, but I want to get her something. I wanted to get her something, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money because she's going to be like, why'd you spend the money? She's super cheap like me. So what I thought of was, since she loves to bake, unfortunately, I don't ever get to try the stuff she bakes because she eats it. I did get the oven mitt. Now you can always pick up some from Dollar Tree, but these I picked up from the 99. I really liked it. I did pick up some, pot holders and a kitchen towel from the Dollar Tree, but they're very thin. And these ones from the 99-cent only store are super thick. So I have a pot holder here. I have, an oven mitt. I always get that mixed up. I got an oven mitt for her. I got pot holders. I got a box of yellow cake mix, which you can pick up anywhere. I believe they sell them at the Dollar Tree as well, but I actually got this at Albertsons. And then I got this book from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Delicious Pokey Cakes. So has all kinds of different recipes for her to try out. Some measuring cups, a scraper spreader, and this red kitchen towel from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to place everything. Now I thought about using the bucket, but I'm going to use that for her daughter's gift. And then I thought about using the checkered collapsible storage container, which I definitely could use, but I went ahead and decided to use this Merry and Bright Let It Snow box. You can use any kind of box you have, but I got this one actually at the 99-cent only store, and I thought she would really like it and she could probably reuse it for another gift. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get my handy dandy newspaper. As an extreme couponer, I get that a lot, and I'm just going to stuff my box with newspaper. I stuffed my box with newspaper. On the top, I'm just going to put some tissue that I always pick up after Christmas for 90%, so I usually get this for about 10 cents. I'll put that on top. The tissues on top, guys, I'm just going to start placing my items and just make them look pretty. So, let's see. Trying to decide how I'm going to do this. So, maybe I'll do that first. I don't know. Let me play around with this and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So this is the gift that I came up with, and I think she's really going to like it. It's everything she likes to do, which is bake, and it has everything she's going to need to bake, minus the, the milk and all that good stuff. But if I were to go out and buy these at the Dollar Tree, I purchased everything pretty much from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent only store. It cost me exactly $9 to make. Each item, of course, was $1. Plus, you guys know I like to shrink wrap my gifts with the shrink wrap pull-and bow. So with tax and everything, I'm spending less than $10 for a really nice gift for one of my really, really good friends. So that's one gift out of the way. Let me shrink wrap this. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done, and we'll move on to another gift. My next idea is definitely a stockpile gift idea. It's pretty much costing me little to nothing to make, and it's a really nice gift. At least I would like to receive it. So this box I got at the 99-cent only store. You can use any box, guys, but I really like this box. I think it's really cute, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. At the bottom, of course, I've stuffed my newspaper, and then on top I have my tissue. Now what I'm going to put in the box is, of course, all couponed items. So we got these for either free or 99 cents at CVS, so that fits actually perfect there, so that's where I'm going to put it. And then I have some items, of course, that I either couponed for or we got super cheap at CVS. Now these were 74 cents on clearance, so I'm going to add one of these. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, but you know, sometimes we get these really cheap at CVS. I'm sure all of us have masks in our stockpile. Now, this, of course, is from the Dollar Tree, but you don't have to add this, but I am definitely going to add that because I have a few extra. And then I'm going to add our Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I know we were getting a ton of these for free, so if you guys are a couponer, you probably still have some left like I do. Of course, I want to add some Paparazzi nail polish because we've been getting this for pretty cheap, about 50 cents a bottle, if not free, at CVS. Of course, the Revlon Kiss Balm. If you guys went to Walgreens, we stocked up on a ton of these. And then I have, of course, a Revlon eyeshadow that we've been getting super cheap at CVS over this whole year. And, of course, a freebie Nivea lotion. So I'm just going to stuff that right here. And then, of course, I will shrink wrap it. But this is an amazing little gift. Retail value would probably be about, let's see, 10, probably I'd say about 30, maybe $35 if you paid retail for everything. But of course, you know, we're couponers, so we get these items super cheap. I would say this gift is less than $10. It's probably about $8 or $9. I think it's super cute. Really love the way it came out. And then of course, guys, I will be shrink wrapping it with the shrink wrap pull and bow, which I think is going to pull the whole entire gift together. Really cute. This is perfect for a teacher, friend, neighbor, co-worker, family member, nieces. They're going to love it because it has everything, a little bit of everything that everybody loves. So I really like this gift as well. This gift is for my Secret Santa. Now, our budget is only $5, guys. So I got to keep it as cheap as possible because otherwise we'll go crazy because we're all friends and you know, we love each other and we just don't want to spend too much money. So my budget's $5, so this is what I came up with. Now these items are either from the Dollar Tree or clearance finds. So the box, I believe I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm not 100% sure. I could have gotten it at the 99-cent only store, but I want to say I got it at the Dollar Tree. This adorable plush I got at the Dollar Tree. And I know these sold out fast, so hopefully you guys have some in your stock. Of course, a Christmas candle from the Dollar Tree. These I picked up at Walgreens at 90% off. I think they were like 20 cents. I picked these up at CVS when they hit 90% off, so these are 39 cents. And then I have some chocolates from the Dollar Tree. So of course I'm going to stuff paper in here. I'm going to put tissue on top and I'm going to place my items and make it cute and shrink wrap it. And this gift cost me I'm going to say that's $5. So maybe a little less than $5, and I got to include the shrink wrap, so I did go maybe $1 over budget, maybe cents over budget, because these are like, together it's like 60 cents. So I did go like 60 cents over budget, but I don't think they're going to kill me for that. So that is a cute little $5 gift for me for my Secret Santa. So this is how this gift came out. I think it came out really cute. I love this little plush. I think it's adorable. And then in the back, I have my candy here, the socks, the lotion, and the candle. I think this is an adorable little inexpensive gift, perfect for a Secret Santa, perfect for a coworker, perfect for you know, if you want to give a teacher gift, this is a perfect gift. You would just need to switch out the items with Dollar Tree items. You can find those at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, this is a great, inexpensive way to make an awesome gift. Okay, guys, so here are the finished products. I didn't shrink wrap that one because when I shrink wrapped it, the little ears went in and I didn't like the way it looked. Anyways, I'm going to hand this out anyways. And I think it's a really cute idea. Even without the shrink wrap, if I had one of those like, a cellophane wrap or something to put that in, I would put it in, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. I think it's still a really great gift, and it was under $5 without the shrink wrap. It came out to like $4.60. Now this gift here, I said $8. It probably cost me about $7 to make after I started calculating everything, but I absolutely love this gift. I think it's an amazing gift. It's super cute, and it's an excellent like teen gift, coworker gift. I think even my aunts would love this gift because it has everything that they love to use. And then finally, Natasha's gift, which I think she's really going to like, which is like my little baker's gift. I think it came out super, super cute, and I think she's really going to enjoy it as well. And this gift cost me $9, $10 to make, so it was $9. $8 and $5. Super excited about these gifts. Now don't forget, I am having a Dollar Tree gift card giveaway and bonus prizes, so if you've not entered for that giveaway, I will link that at the end of this video. Now I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!